Nowadays I feel alright, my circle's small, my circle tight. Used to have niggas on the side who thought this race was they tight. The vision is really heavy, them niggas they couldn't carry. They spilled off, took off, our dreams are so scary. Ay, 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 ay.
Gang gang shit, gang gang shit, gang gang shit, yeah. Gang gang shit, gang gang shit, gang gang shit, yeah. Gang gang shit, gang gang shit, gang gang shit, yeah. Gang gang shit, gang gang shit, gang gang shit, shit, gang gang shit, gang gang shit, gang gang shit, yeah. Gang gang shit, gang gang shit, gang gang shit,
gang gang shit. We have no options but to be the cause of these concoctions. These motherfuckers be having when they bump us. Cause we cause chaos on microphones and we trespass your comfort zone. Snatch your phone if you think this is your calling. I'm like a devil recording, I bring heat to your dead mental. My words are at the crime scene every time an instrumental is murdered. Are you mad at my simplest lines that passes that whiny contemplated? I cut from a different cloth cause the game is fabricated. Mama must have given birth to his only son on the brightest day. Cause it's hard to face me like a fucking sun on the brightest day. Son, ayy. They say yourself, when are you dropping an album, nigga? I tell them it takes time to wake niggas up like a fucking alarm, nigga. But for now, I'ma drop bars that make you raise your eyebrow. Cause you don't believe the bars is raised by fucking eyebrow.
It's dope slicks on the MIC, revealer of the truth. I want y'all niggas to see that every weak ass rapper on your TV screen is actually weaker than they have us believe. Man, we being deceived and we buying they CDs. Every one of these rappers ain't real as they seem. They never walk the walk, but they are quick to preach. They are bound to a construct like a dog on a leash, man. Sometimes I wonder if they really should be rapping, cause they always talk about some shit that really never happened. Somehow admiring them has turned into a habit. We are better than these niggas, I don't even have to practice, ayy. They lack purpose, but they acting like they perfect on their knees, cause the money got them working like a servant. There's no secret that their music is unpleasant. I represent my mom, my gang, and nothing else, nigga. Gang gang shit, yeah. Rap your click, man. Watch how 2 minutes turn to $1 million, dog. Slicks.
Sekunjalo magenge ngicela ithuba ngibangene Zulu King ngiyinkosi ngihleliwe sikhulisa ngizwa ngokuduma wezulu kusho khona sesikhona basingena bangenela amanzi emadolweni phela thina sakhathwa sizingakara izinja zegame igajwe izinyanga ezinkulu ngeke ningithinte ngingumagidigidi ukuduma wezulu impukane zimbiza phansi amaphela mbiza phezulu ngiyintanda kubuke njengesakabuli ngiyingomthizi maphuzu nikhanda ngiyisotsha lempilo umzimba ugcwele iziloni kudala kwasangibona akekho yomelana nami. Gang gang siyabangena, gang gang siyabagoba, gang gang siyabaqeda, gang gang siyobagqiba, gang gang siyabangena, gang gang siyabagoba, gang gang siyabaqeda, gang gang siyobagqiba.